The contractual nature of entry and commercial law in public spaces. Modern commercial establishments increasingly rely on preemptive legal postings, often affixed to storefront windows, as a form of constructive notice to those entering. These postings are not merely advisory, they represent contractual terms. When a patron voluntarily enters a premises displaying such language, they are presumed to have accepted the terms under a commercial contract, even if implicitly. This legal reality stems from the principle that commerce is governed not merely by statute, but by private agreement, and such agreements often supersede the statutory framework where consent is established. This concept is grounded in federal law under 15 U.S.C. Section 1, which prohibits interference in lawful commercial transactions and activities. The statute carries severe penalties, up to $100 million for corporate violations and $10 million for individuals, where such interference is proven. Thus, businesses that post signage excluding firearms may, in effect, be establishing the rules of engagement for a contractual commercial relationship. Yet, if a patron challenges the basis of the term firearm versus arm, and the signage fails to define it with legal specificity, the enforcement of such terms becomes legally ambiguous. The question then becomes whether the act of carrying an arm, as opposed to a firearm, breaches the implied contract. Given that arms is the constitutionally protected term under the Second Amendment, a case could be made that signage using only the term firearm does not encompass all arms, and therefore may not adequately restrict them under contract law. Footnote: this section explains how storefront signage constitutes a commercial contract and analyzes its interaction with the Second Amendment and 15 U.S.C. Section 1.